how to swap cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. So if you want to swap your cryptocurrencies using your Trust Wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Trust Wallet application that you would be able to find here. And once you launch the Trust Wallet app, this is the kind of interface you will see. Now from here, you just have to navigate to the swap section that you'd be able to find from the swap section here. And as soon as you've done that, what you have to do from here is simply enter the token, right? So select the source network or the network that you would like to swap from, which could be your Ethereum, BTC, or whatever else it is that you want to swap from. Then after that, select the tokens you want to swap to. So here you can just select that and just enter the amount that you'd like to swap right here. Once done, you can just tap on the swap option right over here in order to be able to swap that particular cryptocurrency. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically swap cryptocurrencies on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.